Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel The Stock Simpler. In this video we'll be discussing about the upcoming IPO which is about Archean Chemicals. So these are the outline of the video. First of all we'll discuss about the company, followed by what does the company do, then the key financial of the company, and then comparison with its peers, objective of the issue, key dates, followed by grey market premium and summary. So first of all about the company. So this company is the leading specialty marine chemical manufacturer in India, which mainly focused on producing and exporting mostly three types of chemicals like bromine, industrial salt, and sulfate of potash to its customer around the world, and is the India's largest exporter of bromine and industrial salt in 2021, which almost contributes 99% of the revenue of the company, and we will be discussing that in the financial section. And it has 18 global customers in 13 different countries, including China, and has 24 domestic customers as well. So the company was the largest exporter of industrial salt in India and is the only manufacturer of sulfate of potash, the third chemical, which is contributes to almost 1% of the revenue. And these chemicals, this company is the has a leading market position, and the expansion and growth in bromine and industrial salt contributes to the increase in the revenue of the company. It has strong and consistent financial performance. So next, moving on, what does the company do? It produces, as I was describing, it produces three chemicals. First of all, we'll discuss about the bromine. So where these bromine are used, these are used mostly for flame retardants. So next, it is used for clear brine fluid, which is used for oil and gas industries, and it is also used for PTA synthesis, which is used to synthesize polyester, PET sheets, and reusable bottles also. And it is used for biocides, fungicides, and is used for bromine flow batteries in agrochemical industries, for UV sunscreen in pharmaceutical industries, and for dyes also. So the expected growth of this bromine application is almost 5 to 6% till 2024. The expected growth is of 5 to 6%. Moving on to the next chemical, which is about the industrial salt. So these industrial salt are used for chloroalkali purpose, for synthetic soda ash. So these are used for like detergent in detergent industries. Next application is for de-icing, means if the road is, if you see in hilly area, if the road is covered with snow, then to clear the road, this industrial salt is used. And it is also used for oil and gas industries, for water treatment, and in agriculture industries. The expected CAGR of industrial salt is of almost 14% till 2025. And the next chemical is about sulfate of potash, or potash sulfate, so which is mainly used for fertilizers, and the expected CAGR growth for the use of potash is of 6%. So if we compare the specialty chemical uses for different industries and its application, majority of it is used, these specialist chemicals are used for agrochemical and fertilizer application, and 11, almost 11% is used for dyes and pigments for color, and in paint industry it is almost 5%. It is also used for home care ingredients, for textile chemicals, for water treatment, for construction use, and for infratech chemicals also. So moving into the company financial, if we compare the 6-month data from 2021 to 2022, like June 30, 2021 in comparison to 2022, if we see the net worth of the company is almost increased from 909 to 3454 million, and the revenue from operation from 2000 it has increased to almost 4000 million, so which is almost double. The profit of the company is also increased from 186 to 844, and the same thing we can see in EPS, that is earning per share, from 1.81 it has increased to 8.17. But if we compare the 1 year data from 2020 to 2021 to 2022, the net worth of the company has increased from 59.86 to 723 million, and in 2022 it has increased, means which is increased almost 3 times as compared to 2021, from 723 to 2610. And similarly, you can see the revenue of the company is consistently increasing. The profit in 2020, the company was in loss, In 2021, it shows a profit of 666 million. Before 1 year, it was in a loss of 362 million. So we can say that almost 1000 million increase from 360 to 666. And in 2022, from 666, it has increased to 1885. So here, if you compare 2020 to 2021, so there is a 1000 million increase in the profit. So but from 2021 to 2022, we can see almost 1200 million increase. So consistently the profit of the company is increasing. So as a result of which the EPS of the company is also increasing. If we see the product segment session, so majority of the revenue is coming from bromine and industrial salt, which is almost 19, almost 100% we can say, and sulfate of potash is hardly contributing to the revenue. If the sulfate production of the company will also increase, the financial of the company will also be benefited from that. Now moving on to comparison with peers, the listed peers which are in RHP, whatever the company shows, that those are Tata Chemicals, Deepak Nitrite, Aarti Industries, Neogen Chemicals, and the asking PE ratio for this company is 16.78. And if you compare it with the listed peers, so it is cheaply valued, means the asking PE is less compared to almost all the listed peers. And the EPS of the company, if we see, it is 18.26, which is comparable to this Neogen Chemical Limited. If we compare the PE ratio, it is the Neogen Chemicals is at a PE ratio of 79.79, but the asking PE is 16.78. So the IPO, we can say it is fairly valued. The asking price is fairly valued. Moving on to the objective of the issue, this IPO is consisting of both offer for sale as well as fresh issue of shares. So the fresh issue will be used for redemption in part or full of NCDs issued by the company, and is used for general corporate purpose for expansion also. So moving on, if we see the Archean Chemical IPO details, it has a face value of ₹2. The asking PE price for each share per share is 407, and 10% of the shares is reserved for retail customers. And this opening date of this IPO is on November 9th, and the closing date is on 11th. The basis of allotment will be on November 16th, and if you are not lucky enough to get that, it will be refunded on November 17th, and the listing date of the company is November 21st. So moving on to the grey market premium, as of on 6th November, the grey market premium is of almost 15%, 58 rupees. Initially it was at 60. In 3rd November it has increased to 80 rupees, and now it is trading at a grey market premium of 58 rupees, which is almost 15%. So if the market will be stable in the listing day, we can expect 20% gain in the listing price. Seeing the PE ratio of the company as compared to its peers, I feel it is fairly valued. So you can apply for medium to long term perspective. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.